Hi guys, do a updated squishy haul with me, and I finally have something to make me talk louder because I was not talking loud enough. Yeah. I just had goldfish, so somehow my mouth is yellow. I might need to blur that out, but that's okay. Warning: take your headphones out. Yeah. We are gonna be ranking them on a scale. Okay, the scale. The scale is. What is it? I have to use the potty. Give me 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
I'm back. Okay, so I'm still thinking. We'll make it baby. Baby, baby, baby. Oh. Yeah, guys, I know my microphone is headphones. I'm not stupid. Sometimes I can be, though. First squishy. Wait, we need to say the B-A-B-Y. Justin Bieber, if you're out there watching this. Okay, B, as in butt cheek bananas. So good. Okay, A. A, 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got got me. I'm so tough. Okay. A stands as. It's not at B yet. The second B stands for booty is what it smells like and what it is. I need new words. Y is for you're going in the trash right now. Okay, first squishy. Oops. Okay, put it in because yeah, but I kind of want to go like that. Can y'all still hear me? Well, too bad because I'm just gonna keep it like this. Okay, first we're going in with the Dr. Pepper Nito. It is very dirty, but it is so good, bro. Like, oh. I have the same one as Gianna Joyce. She's very famous. Maybe one day. Okay. But yeah, this is definitely really good and better than most squishies are at their thing. So yeah. And it's sticky and I love sticky squishies. So this is probably gonna be at a B, the first B. But yeah. Oh baby, you're good. That's gonna be the first B. Oh heck yeah. We're not throwing my precious baby. Baby. If we're talking about baby, the second squishy is an actual baby. I only got it yesterday, but yeah, and then you know what's fun? You could slam it and it doesn't break. My favorite thing to do with it? Pretend it's a real baby. Guys, you need to burp your baby when you're older. And also, look, it has a butt crack. I'm joking. But she can do flips. Her name is Niget, Ratasha, Matasha. But she's good. We are gonna swing on the chandelier. The chandelier. I know we've all seen that one, lady, but this is probably gonna be an A because it's kind of just a baby, and it's also kind of creepy. But you know, yeah. Like, what the heck do you mean this is? That's terrifying. And then when I go like this, hold on. Let me put my earpiece in. I'm Jordan Matter, y'all. Silas, you have your earpiece in? Yeah, daddy. Okay. Yeah, this is the squishy. Oh, so cute. But, yeah, that's an A. There was thunder, I'm scared. And as you can see, I'm pressing a button on here, and it's, like, cool. Like, look. And it turned the whole camera off. Okay. But, yeah, this is definitely an A. For almost at B. But, yeah, it's like the head moves too realistically. And then the freaking hands. What the heck? It's more realistic than my hands. Don't mind my crusty nails. We're just gonna hide that. And then the feet. Oh! Next one. We have the one, the only cheese. Okay, it's popped. I am not sure where it's popped, but it's popped. And I'm trying to fix it, but I keep losing the hole. Like, I'm genuinely confused. Since my listening piece is booty cheek. Oh! I found the hole! Normally people would be mad, but I'm genuinely happy. The guts are everywhere. It's not everywhere. I'm kind of dramatic. Don't mind my cracked freaking phone. Yeah, some bad damage. I need a new one. Maybe if y'all subscribed, I can get paid and get a new one. Ever think about that? Any hee hee. So, I'm editing that part out. What if I just... That could be the way I end it. I meant, like... I don't know. But, yeah, the cheese, yeah, it's popped. And, yeah, I don't know how to fix it. And, yes, I'm the one who popped it. So, it's definitely at the... B, the second B, because it's not even, like... good because it's pop. I'm like, look, honestly, why did I say look? I feel, okay, this is definitely actually a Y, like you need to go in the garbage. I don't know why I haven't thrown it out, but yeah, so bye. Okay, third squishy. The squishy gives Elsa like beautiful texture. But I don't like having to squeeze squishies so hard to even squish them. So I might give this an A because it's almost there. But then as like this one, you don't need to squish as hard to get into that one. It's obviously a fake Nido, but it has Nido on it. It's just like obviously a fake one, but it's still not even bad. So like yeah. But then this one, you see how it doesn't go through my fingers? That's not a good sign. Thank you very much. Okay, so yeah, this one's definitely going in A because it's like good and it looks super cool. Like look at that. That's super cool. It literally is giving let it go. Okay, my dogs are barking at me. This squishy is also giving let it go. I'm gonna do ASMR because it's a good ASMR squishy. Okay, as you saw, the squishy is a dumpling. It's not a very good dumpling, but and obviously it's not real. I think it actually might be real because it says RMS. But there are fake RMS ones. I don't know. I really don't. But that's okay. Yeah, this is definitely like a B, the third B, because like I don't really need this, and it doesn't even. And look how much freaking air is in it. I don't know where the camera is. I'm kind of like just guessing. But like, look how much air. Wait, hold on. There's a lot more. Wait. Look how much air. It's literally like. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely a B. Yeah. Next question is. Let me choose. Guys, I choose. Okay, the next squishy is a dumpling. Okay. Hi, this yellow dumpling. What? More white guts. Whatever. Where? I think it came out of this. I like squeezing pop squishies, so don't mind me. Wait, is it that? Is it that little area right there? I don't think it's that. Oh, it's that area. Look at that big boy. Oh, frick. That was not supposed to fall. Okay, it's okay. So, yeah. This baby needs to go in the trash. But, that's some ASMR. The ASMR is not that bad. So, yeah, this is gonna go in the second B because, I mean, it's popped. But, yeah, not that good. It's like literally giving me a stuffed animal with just the head. Next thing is your mom. I'm kidding. It's this, and there's two. They're the fastest low rising squishies ever. Well, they're the fastest. They just suck. It's a why. Why were you born? The next one is a boiled egg. There's ball in it. Oh. This thing is definitely a buy now. Buy now. Okay, some ASMR now. So that didn't very go. That didn't go very well. But like if you have hair, you don't care. Okay, I'm just gonna shut up now. But yeah, this is definitely the first B because you need to buy it now. Okay, next one. We a foosball. Yes, this is a real needle fuzzball. I know. I'm surprised I have this too. So that tastes like peanut butter. I hate me some peanut butter. Ugh. To the squishy, this is definitely a B by now because it's just self-explanatory. Just like so good. Next is the worst squishy you will ever find, you will ever see, will ever see in a screen. Okay, this is it. This is this is the worst squishy. It is the worst squishy. It dried over time. It's a dry ball with white stuff in it. What the heck? Who would even make such a thing bad? I kept putting it in the wrong ear. Who is it? Anyways, this is it. It's so good. It's not, but why were you born? As you can see, not my dogs. Oh, ballet. Okay. I threw it out because what's the point of that? It's literally broken. So, yeah. Oh, and by the way, yes, I am a cheerleader of 5 years. Yeah, I am. Next squishy is once again another Nito. It is this nice cube. I actually think I have two. Let me find it. Literally, it's all the way at the bottom. Okay, this is my second one. First one, second one. Please stay till the end because even though my videos are boring, just stay to the end. Okay, so yeah, this is just a solid. Literally could kill someone. A solid Y. I'm kidding. I never do that to Anito. Yeah. This one is newer than this one. As you can like kind of tell, this is the old one. Yeah, you can just tell by. This is literally green. This is blue. But this one is more slow rising. Like it barely even. 1, 2, wait. I want to make them disappear. 3, 2, 1. Girl, they're gone. I know that's right. Next one. Wait, I need to rate it. Okay, this is definitely the second B. Because like they're not like that good. Cause I don't really like the hard ones that are hard to squish. Like once again, like this one. But this is definitely my favorite. I want a coconut oil squishy. I want a coconut water. Coconut water. And it is gonna follow my order. Okay, but yeah, this is like definitely a B. Cause like it's not even that good. Bye, Felicia. Speaking of Felicia, this is Felicia. Felicia. She sounds freaky. This is Felicia, and we have her twin. Felicia. This one does not make a noise, but yeah. Yes, they're both girls, even though they're boys. But these are just horrible. Honestly, I'd rate them two differently. So this one's definitely a Y. Why are you born? Just get the hell away from me. I'm bleeping that out. And this one's probably an A. Cause like it's fun, but I've never really like played with it like out of my room. But it is actually pretty good. Like I'm not even gonna lie to you. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I had names for my baby, Nugget, and where are they? Felicia and Felicia. So, meet Lisha Fa. This is Lisha Fa. It is a Sharky. A good Sharky, though. I did have to change my setup a little bit because y'all couldn't see the squishies that well. Ooh, something just flew into my nose. But it's basically just this. But it's definitely a B because it's like really, really, really good. Okay, now we're just gonna keep going with the animal streak. We'll go to my bears. So I have this one. This one. This one. Okay, so the blue one makes no noise. So his name is Noisemaker. I don't know why. And I'm just letting you know, no, I'm not making these up on the spot. I'm being so actually dead serious right now. I have a problem with naming things. It's bad. I named my volleyball Fonquisha. This is literally live footage of me, like, playing volleyball with her. Sorry, Fonquisha. Sorry, Fonquisha. Sorry, Fonquisha. Yeah. Sorry, Fonquisha. I'm sorry. Ooh. But yes, this cinnamon roll's name is, no noise maker. Wait, I think it's Noisemaker. Yeah, I forget them sometimes. It's okay. This purple one makes a little bit less noise. Her name is a little bit more normal. Her name is Alaki. She just looks like that. Just like, let her mog. Skinny! My Siri answered me, but yeah, that's her name. And she, like, all of them. Wait, I need to tell you the other one's name. Her name is like the normalest out of everyone's. Her name is Rosina. That's definitely like a normal name and like an actually cute name. Unlike the other ones. You too. But yeah, honestly, these aren't even that good. They're not that good. They're like gel. I like water. I love water. It's fun blowing. Okay, but these are kind of like a Y. I'm joking. Again, these are like actual neatos. Guys, wait, is this cool? Okay, now we actually have to lock in because we need to keep going. But yeah, these are definitely the second B because they're not even that good. My favorite animal squishy of mine is Gerald. He's so cute. This is basically like an automatic B because it's like kind of the best squishy I have. Like, look at this. Why would I do that? It was already... Like, bruh, this is real ASMR. Okay, I'm sorry, but like this is my favorite squishy I have. I got it from Target. And honestly, my Target recently has not been in stock, but it was. And just that. There was a hot dog there, but it got murdered. Okay, we have another bear. Um, yeah. Oh, her name is Dun da 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 Rashakata. These names sound like a different language, but I think they are English. I'm pretty sure. This girl, she sounds good. It's kind of hard to squish her though, but once you play with her for a while, honestly, it definitely feels really good. So I think I'm gonna put this in the A. So like A. Okay, the last animal that I have, or last living thing that I have, is this thing. We're definitely putting this in Y, and his name, I didn't give him a name. It doesn't deserve a name. It's, oh my god, it, okay. No, because they actually suck. I hate type of squishy so bad. Like, if you ever try to give me one, I will throw it away. But if you do want me to name it, then comment what name I should name it. But it can't be a good name, like Rashika, because I mean that's just a special name, bruh. Okay, now I'm gonna do nice cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. What the Oh, and I don't know what number I'm at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I have this one as my first one. This one, you see, it goes through my fingers. That's what I really love. And it's so just like, it's just there, and I love it. Like, so it's definitely a B, but like, look at this. Like, listen to this. Like, did you hear those like noises? Yeah, that was not coming from me. It was coming from this, but that's definitely a B. So good. 2, 3. They're the same thing. Actually, they're not. This one is black. Okay, this is 2. It's not good. I don't like it. It's definitely a B, but the second B, not the first one. This is the 3. 3 is my baby. But again, it's just like not that good. But definitely A. Like A. Okay, 4 is definitely like better, and obviously I know it's fake. Like, don't come in the comments and tell me that it's fake. More ASMR. So I don't know if y'all can hear it, but yeah, this is definitely a B. Like, it's really, really good. Like, anyways. So apparently I have a third one of this. Like, what? It's definitely something I do not know. But yeah, this is the third one. It's really hard. I don't like it. B. This one, it's not a very common one. This is also a B. This is legendary because it's my first ever Nido. And it's just like honorable, but it's kind of crusty at the bottom. Just like you. Anyways, I do have one in the car. In my car. Well, my mom's car. Whatever. I wish I had a car. But this one, something is just different about this one. And it's like 10. Okay, that's like from a different squishy, but yeah, it's really good. So I think it deserves an A. So that was all my cubes. Now we're gonna go on to something else that I don't really know. Okay, we're just gonna do the rest of my Nidos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so yeah, this is all my 5 Nidos that are left. Okay, my first one that I'm going to show you is the mushroom. This is definitely a B. Like, this is, like, one of the best squishies I have. And it's just, like, it's it. It's definitely it. I want the atomic one, but they sell them at my Walgreens, but I've never found them in stock. That's really good. Next, we have the donut. I threw away the top because it just, like, didn't make it feel good. But, yeah, I'll even show you that it's real because I know it's so rare. You can see it right there. It's not very seenable, but I can see it, so that's all that matters. Oh, you can kind of see it right there. Man, it's whatever. But oh, I know y'all hear that because I can hear it from here. Okay, but yeah, this is actually like really good, and it's like the lightest pink ever. But in that, it's like orange, pink, and bright. It's not that in real life. Okay. I have a old woman back. Yeah, this is definitely a B because it's so good. Okay, then we have the marbles Nido. This is my favorite Nido I have. It's very, very soft, and it's water. It's marble, obviously. It's bouncy. Bro! It's like so. Anyways, next one. This. Okay, this did come from this Fruity Groovies, the set or whatever. My banana popped at school, and then my sister has the strawberry. Well, she had the strawberry. She lost it. She loses everything. Don't tell her I said that, or I'll blow in your ears. Okay, but yeah, this is like really good. But it's honestly just a small orange. I got it. Yeah, so yeah, but yeah, this is definitely an A. It's not even that good. Like, I feel like Nidos are overhyped, but they're so good. So freaking good. My last to show Nido is definitely did not throw that. Definitely. The thing, the Nido marshmallow. This logo you can actually see well. But yeah, it turns purple, but there's not really any sunlight outside because it's like rainy or whatever. But what if I put it under a UD light? I'm doing that right now. Actually, I'm not because let me go ask my mommy. My mommy said no. But yeah, this is definitely a B. Like, it's so good. Okay, I do have the famous glitter dumpling. And this is real. And I know it's real. Listen to it. Listen to it. This is definitely a B. Like, so good. The first B, yes. But it does have a slight pink shade to it because this, like, melts. So yeah. I like doing that. Like, look at that sparkle. So good. Alright, but yeah, that's really good. Then I have something that can kill someone. That's your face when you don't like the video. I'm serious. Let's play a role. Okay, I'm joking. But yeah, look at this. Can I just show you all this? I might actually need to. My phone's gonna fall, and it's already broken. So let's throw it. Wow. I actually think I just had a heart attack. But this is not enjoyable to play with. Like, it's honestly just like something to roll out and like mold with. But yeah, so it's probably like the second B because it's not even that good. Second to last squishy is the soccer ball, and it is the Brazil colors for FIFA World Cup. I'm not rooting for anyone for the World Cup, but yeah, this soccer ball, it's not even good. Like, it's a Y. Where were you? One I got from Weiss. It's a good store, and I love this genuinely. Like, listen to this. My phone has 12 cracks now. I'm joking. It probably has like 45 cracks. My screen is literally glitching. Like, that's how bad it is. But yeah, this is definitely an A. Okay. That's it. I hope to see you in my next video. Watching it. Maybe in the comment section. Maybe liking it. But you know, if you don't want to, I guess that's okay. Totally fine. But yeah. Definitely fine. Okay, well, bye guys. Thank you for watching my video. So, comment below, a duck emoji. Because you would just watch the whole thing, and I really want to know if you watched the whole thing. Bye.